Actually, this whole summit started about 3 years ago because we as an association were trying to get the attention of the entire community to come together and also get the attention of the government to support this industry. So we thought the best way to do it was to come together, create a platform where we can actually have together and also try to understand for ourselves and to present exactly what are the issues and how do we want to actually take it forward as a community to grow. So we started 3 years ago with a summit where we proposed that there should be a policy for supporting this industry, and we are very happy to say that the first very summit resulted in the policy coming out in the next 10 months time. And like next second summit when we did last year, that time onwards we decided that it's a digital era, things are changing, every minute. So as we speak, so we thought that we should have something going on almost on an annual basis where we try to review what has happened. Did it go according to the plan? What has changed? Do we need to change the policy to match something that is required today? So the whole objective is to actually look at the current status, the trends and the support that we require from the ecosystem for this community. So basically, we start off by trying to see every year how we can get more and more people associated. So the very first summit, if you see like a couple of years ago, we had more people like from Bangalore, Karnataka and nearby states. The second year had the whole country, coming together. And this year you can see that actually we have people from all across. We have US, UK, Canada, name it. You have them all here, but it's something that works towards achieving like something very, very concrete, and everybody from the community is putting in solid hours of work to achieve something concrete. Actually, every year we try to have this as the mega event where we touch at all aspects, but at a macro level. So we have a session focused on animation, a session focused on visual effects, session focused on gaming and all that. Technology plays a very important role, a session focused on that. But this year specifically we have added the global connection aspect, telling the audience how we can work together much more. So this is a special focus I think for this year. Actually, it's hard to say like what exactly would be one or two takeaways, but the good thing is there is a whole range of things being offered. So we are hoping that if somebody is coming from a education side, if there are people coming from the university, academia, education institute background, they will go back with understanding from the industry, the real requirements, and not only just a demand of what is required, but interestingly, how they can get the support from the industry. So there is a takeaway for students, there is a takeaway for people coming from the academia, there is a takeaway for people involved with technology, the creative people, and most importantly in India, this being a new industry, the management needs to also have a lot of learning and sharing with each other. Oh, everything and anything. I'm looking forward to a wonderful conference, and it's really great how it's turning out as of now. We are absolutely fortunate, I would say, to have a government here in Karnataka which has shown something so exceptionally different. Like I personally have been involved with various governments in India, overseas for last 20 plus years. But I've never seen a government that is so proactive and is willing to actually join hands, and almost sometimes actually they are pulling us. I mean, normally we are used to pushing the government to support us, but this is a case where they are actually, hey, like what next? What should we do next scenario? So we are absolutely grateful to the leadership that we have in the Minister, Honorable Minister, Mr. Patil currently, and Mr. ISN Prasad, who is actually the hero who is in the government but a hero for the industry. And we really hope to have him with us for the next few years, when we are sure with his support we will change the scene in India very soon.